Stressed about exams or projects? What if AI could help you study smarter, not harder? It's not a dream, it's real. Welcome to AI Expert Reviews, where we break down the best AI tools to help you get ahead in your studies and projects. Today, we're diving into 3 incredible AI tools: Notion AI, Quizlet, and Wolfram Alpha that can make your study routine more efficient and effective. First, let's talk about Notion AI. Notion is already an amazing productivity tool, but with its AI integration, it takes things to the next level. Notion AI helps you organize your study schedule, summarize notes, and even brainstorm ideas for projects. Let's say you're reviewing for an exam. You upload your lecture notes to Notion, and in seconds it generates a neat summary highlighting the important topics you need to focus on. This is perfect for last-minute revision or when you're juggling multiple subjects. Next, we have Quizlet, a flashcard tool that uses AI to help you learn more effectively. With Quizlet, you can create custom flashcards or use pre-made ones. The AI adapts your study session based on how well you're doing, so you can focus on the areas where you need the most improvement. For example, you're studying for a history exam. You load your notes into Quizlet, and the AI generates flashcards to help you quiz yourself. As you get some answers wrong, Quizlet will quiz you on those specific flashcards more often, helping you focus on what you need to learn, not just what you already know. Finally, there's Wolfram Alpha, the ultimate tool for solving complex problems. Whether it's math, science, or even finance, Wolfram Alpha gives you detailed, step-by-step solutions. It's like having a personal tutor for tough topics. Imagine you're stuck on a calculus problem or need to solve a tough physics equation. You input the problem into Wolfram Alpha, and it not only solves it for you but also provides a clear, step-by-step explanation. This is perfect for understanding difficult concepts during your study sessions. Real-time use case scenarios. Let's talk about how these tools work in real time during your study routine. Notion AI for organizing your study sessions. You've got a big exam coming up and multiple assignments to juggle. Notion AI helps you create a personalized study plan, making sure you tackle your toughest subjects first and spread out the workload over days or weeks. You can focus on the most important material without getting overwhelmed. Quizlet for quick review. Let's say you're on the bus heading to campus and need a quick review session. With Quizlet, you can pull up your flashcards and quiz yourself on key concepts while you're on the go. It's a perfect real-time tool for reinforcing what you've learned, no matter where you are. Wolfram Alpha for solving homework problems. Now, if you're tackling a math or science assignment and get stuck, Wolfram Alpha is your best friend. Just type in your problem, and within seconds you'll get the solution along with detailed steps. It's the perfect way to instantly understand a complex problem during your study session. So, what are you waiting for? Start using these AI tools today to study smarter, not harder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on how AI can boost your productivity. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching AI Expert Reviews.